Hello guys. My name is Pranshu Rathor, and I work as a technical trainer at Selected.com. Okay, and I have taught around 10,000 plus students pan India, online and offline both. Okay, for full stack web development. Objective of today's webinar is to build a e-commerce landing page using HTML and CSS. Okay, may I know that how many of you guys have some experience doing HTML and CSS? You can write yes or no in the chat box. That have you developed any web pages using HTML and CSS? Okay, so that will be a plus point for you. Okay, if you know a little bit of basic HTML and CSS. Okay, yes, the session is already started. Okay, I'll just share my screen. So my screen is visible to all of you. You can write yes or no. Okay. Okay. So first of all, if you want to build a e-commerce website, right? Its landing page, you need a design. Okay. If you are a student, if you are a beginner programmer, okay, so you should know that where you can find design. So I can write here e-commerce website design. Okay, there are many websites that will give you free designs. So let us go to Dribble. It is one of the popular website for designs. Okay, you can pick any one design. Okay, so let us see this one. Okay, so this is a website that sells bag. Okay, so if you want to make a website like this, then how can you create a development environment? How you can build this beautiful website using HTML and CSS? So first of all, we need a project folder. So let us create one project folder. Okay, that website is for bags. I will make it for shoes. Okay, so shoe store. Okay, now next thing what we need to do, we need a code editor. So I will use VS Code for developing this project. Okay, now inside this folder you need two files. So one is index.html. Okay, one HTML file we need, and we need one CSS file. So styles.css. Okay, now in HTML we need some boilerplate code. So let us generate that. Okay, I'll just give the title that it is shoe store. Okay, we can give some icon also. So let us give some shoe icon. Okay, and we can go live. Okay, so you can see my document title is visible. Okay, on the top of the tab. And now I want to create a website like this one. Okay. So in this websites, there are different components. Okay, we have a navigation bar. Okay, on the top. Okay, then we have some different sections. Hero section is there. Okay, then different cards are there, brand cards, their product cards are there. Okay, and at last we have footer. Okay, so footer is also there. So let us start with the nav bar. Okay, so website background is white, so I don't need to worry about the background. Okay, so on the top of this design, one button is there. Okay, one hamburger button is there. Then in the middle of the website, its brand name is there. Okay, and here are three icons. Okay, heart icon is there, bag icon is there, and user icon is there. Okay, so let us start creating this layout. Okay, so our website have one header, and in that header we have a nav bar. Okay. Then inside this nav bar, I have two sections. So one is upper nav bar and lower nav bar. Okay, so I will give a class upper nav and lower nav. Okay, so why I have created two classes? Because we will make this nav bar in two parts. So this one is the upper part, okay, and this one is the lower part, which have these categories: men, women, children, brand, and search box. So we will make this nav bar in two parts. So upper nav and lower nav. Okay, so let us start designing our upper nav. Okay, so inside this upper nav, what we have one hamburger icon. In the middle, we have title, and we have three more icons. So let us make it. So for creating circles, I will use div. Okay, and okay, I need four circles, and then I need title in the middle. I can give that title by using h2. Okay, so I can write it here. Shoe store, and I can give that. Okay, let us see what is the output. So let us check it. Okay, so my heading is visible. Okay, I can make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so I will use H3. Okay, now let us check it. So it is good. Now I need these circles. So for creating circles, I will go to styles.css so I can link my style sheet. Okay, so dot slash and styles.css. Here I can override the default styles by giving the asterisk universal selector. So margin 0, padding 0, and I need box sizing border box. Okay, here we can style our component. So I need to style dot circle. Okay, here I will give some width 1 rem. Okay, I will give some height 1 rem. Okay, and let's give some border. So border, I need 1 pixels of border, solid and black. Okay, so you can see square are there. So we can make them circles. So let us increase its size. So 3 rem, and I need 3 rem. Okay, and give the border radius. So border radius will be 50%. Okay, so you can see circles are there. Okay, they are little bit bigger. So let us give it 2.5. Okay, now it is fine. We can change the border color also. So let us give it a gray color. Okay. Now I need these things to come in the same line. As you can see in this design, everything is in the same line. Okay, so for giving them in the same line, what we need this upper nav class. So let us copy this. Okay, and here you can give one property that is called display property. So display flex. Okay, so you can see everything is in the same line now. Okay, now I need to split these things. Okay, so I that one circle will be in the starting, then in between title will be there, and 3 circles will be in the end. So for creating the structure like this, let us keep them. Let us give this display flex, and we can give align item center and justify content. We need space between. So let us see. So you can see, okay, three are in the end. Okay, one is in the middle and one is in the starting. Okay, let us give them space around. Let us okay. Now inside this nav, okay, inside this div, I need to give the display flex property. So here I will make it. So dot upper nav, and inside this div, I need to give display flex. Okay, so you can see these three things are in the same line now. Now here I need to give that property. So AIC align item center and justify content will be space around. Okay. Now what I need, uh, let us check. Okay, some padding. I need some padding from the top and from the bottom and from the corners. So let us give it a space between only. Okay, in the upper nav, we can apply some padding that is to REM. Okay, so you can see some space is created. Okay, let us reduce this space. So let us give 1.5. Okay, so now it is looking good. Now you need icons in this circle, so you can get that icons from Bootstrap. Okay, if you go to Bootstrap, here you can click on icons. Here you can search those icons. So let us see which icons I want. I want a hamburger icon, heart icon, okay, bag icon, and user icon. So let us search it. Hamburger icon. Okay, list icon is there. Okay, so let us copy this code and we can put one icon inside this first circle. Okay, so let us check that icon is there. Okay, that icon is there. Now we have icons to these circles also. So let us search for heart icon. Okay, so there are many heart icons. So I need a simple one, this one. Okay, this icon and you can paste in the website. Okay, let us take the third icon. So third icon was bag icon. Because here are some bag icons. So cart icon. Okay, that bag is for cart only. Let us copy it and paste it here. Okay, then take the user icon. Okay, so user. So I need this icon, person. Okay, so you can see here all icons are there. Okay. Now I need these icons to be in the middle. Okay. So let us remove this and give the space only. So everything is in place now. Okay. Okay, I need some spaces between these divs. So let us give some margin here. Okay. So for giving them margin, let us take the circle class and give some margin. So I need margin right. Okay, I need margin right to be 1 REA. Okay, so some spaces there. Let us check here. Okay, it is looking similar like this one. Okay. Now what I need these buttons, categories buttons. Okay, men, women, children, brand, new, popular. Okay, one search is there and about FAQs. Okay, so let us make them. So inside my lower nav, so this is my lower nav. Okay, inside this I need div. Okay, so first will be men. Okay, then second will be women. Okay, third category was children, brand new. So children, then brand. Okay, then new is there. Okay, popular is there. So let us give it popular. Okay, then what we have one search bar. Okay, so let us give input here. Okay, so input type text and placeholder will be search. And three dots are there. So dot dot dot. Okay, then about is there and FAQ is there. So you can copy this and paste it. So about, okay, and FAQs. Okay, now I need to design these buttons. So let us see what is the output. Okay, I got everything here. Now I need to give them style. Okay, so let us give them style. So target them. So dot lower nav. Okay, inside this lower nav, I have divs. So for this div, I need to give some background color. Okay, what I need light gray background color. So light gray. Okay, it is coming. Now what we can do, we can give height and width. So let us give width as 3 REM. Okay, some words are overflowing. Okay, so we can give display inline block. Okay, now everything is in the same line. Now I can give some padding. So let us give some padding. So I need padding to be 2 REM. 2 REM padding is, uh, let us give 2 and 2 and 1.5. Okay, they are looking the same. Let us reduce some padding in the. Okay, now they are looking fine. Okay, now I need to give them border radius. So give border radius as 1 REM. Okay, so it is exactly looking the same buttons like this. Okay, now you just have to please design your search bar. So for designing the search bar, let us give that div. Okay, and inside the okay, so let us style it. So give width as 100%. Uh, it is not taking the width. Let us increase the width by 6 REM. Okay, now it is working. Okay, so padding is preventing that width. Okay, so let us remove padding from it. So P, uh, yeah, I need to override it. So let us give it a class. So class search. Okay, now I need to style it. Okay, so it is much taking my more efforts when I am switching the tabs. So let us keep it side by side. Okay, now here I need dot search padding 0. You can have it as 100%. So let us inspect it. Okay, so this is having more weight. Okay, so dot lower nav. Okay, now you can see. Okay, now I need some height. Okay, I can give some height. So I need height of 2 RU. Okay, increase some more. So 2.5. We can make it 3. Okay, we this. Okay, so we our border radius as 1 REM. Okay, now it is looking. We have to make it like this. So for making like this, we need background color. Okay, light gray. This background color is there. We can remove the border. So I need to remove the border. Why it is showing me error? Okay, I missed that curly brace. Okay, so I can give the border as none. Okay, give some padding. Okay, so we uh, how much padding we took 1 RE. Okay, now it is looking like this. Okay, just increase the width also. Okay, so width is 100%. Okay, let us increase this width. So I need width as 15%. Refresh it. Okay, increase it. Okay, it is working. Okay, now I need to give some space here. Okay, so I can apply some space. So for giving that space, I can give in my lower nav, I need to give some padding. So dot lower nav, give some padding. So I need 0 padding and 1 REM of padding. Okay, now you can increase some margin. Let us give zero point 0.5 of margin. So margin 0.5 REM. Okay, and you can increase some just 0.3. Okay, and just increase the width 25%. Let us give 30%. Let us increase little more 35. Okay, now it is looking exactly the same as this one. Okay, now you need this hero section. Okay, so for making a hero section, you can make one section in your website. So after the header, our main body will be there, and after the main body there. Okay, so let us in the main body let us make one section. So this class will be hero section. Okay, then inside the section you can put image. Okay, I need one image for my website. Okay, so let us go to Google, and here we can click on shoe images. Okay, here you can select any one code. Okay, so let us see if we can type wallpaper images are there. Okay, so I'm liking this one image. Okay, we can copy it and we can save it in our folder. Okay, now let us use it. So img okay dot slash and there is wallpaper. Okay, so it is a very big image. Okay, I need to fix this width, so I will give width as 100%. Okay, so let us target it. So dot hero inside I have img. Okay, so let us give width as 100%. Okay, now it is fixed. Okay, we have to reduce the height of the image. Okay, so let us crop our image. So I will go to this folder, open this image. Okay, and we can from here to here the save option. So save. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay, now what I need these curve lines and some margin. Okay, so let us give it. Okay, so let us give some margin. So I need border radius. Okay, border radius as 1 rem. And I need some margin 1 rem. Okay, so it is okay. Let us reduce the width. So let us give this width as 98%. Okay, it is looking good now. Some scroll is there, little scroll is there. So I can reduce 1%. Okay, now it is looking perfect. Just 97.5. Okay, it is looking perfect. Now I need some buttons, right? Okay, so here is one start shopping button is there. Okay, some heading is their best leather bag collection for you. So like this I can give here. Okay, so I can give one heading and okay, so inside this I need H1. So best collection for you. Okay, and I need one button that says start shopping. Okay, so three things are there. So let us see. So best shoe collection for you. I need it here and I need start shopping here. Target them first. So inside dot hero, I have one H1. Okay, I needed position absolute. Okay, then inside dot hero, I have one button. Okay, so I need also position absolute. Okay, so let us refresh it. Okay, button is here and heading is here. Let us move them. Okay, so first let us give L0 and T0. Here also give L0 and T0. So everything, both things are coming on the top. Okay. Now let us give some bottom. Let us move it, start moving from the top. So I will give 25 REM. So it is coming here. Let us give some left as 35 REM. Okay, shift it a little more so I can give right. Okay, it is coming here. Let us move it to top little bit. Okay, here it is coming. Okay, I can give it color as white. So color light gray. Okay, you can increase the font size. Okay, okay, so it is coming. You can shift it a little bit. Okay, I can give right as 10 and put it on the top. Okay, now you can give that button. Okay, you can give that button here. So let us give that values. Okay, so let us give right as 15 REM. Okay, and top as 25 REM. So button is here. Okay, so everyone getting what we are doing here? Yes, am I audible? So here I can download it now. So download, and you can see now background is removed. Okay, let us go to that downloads, cut it, paste it in our folder. Okay, now we can delete this. Okay, now I can use this in my website. So dot slash. Okay, now it is coming without background. Let us set the width. Okay, so inside the brands dot brands, I have div, and inside the div I have images. Okay, here I can give width as 100%. Okay, let us give reduce the width. Let us reduce a little bit. So 60%. Okay, now it is coming like this only. Okay, so you can also reduce it to 50%. Okay, now I need to put next logo. So I can put next logo also. Okay, so let us search for Puma. Because there is one logo without background. Let us save it. Again, go to remover. Yeah, select this one, open, download. Let us open our download folder, cut it, and paste it here, and delete this one. Let's use it. So here also make one img tag dot slash. That logo is not coming. Let us check. I guess logo is not there. Let's check it in our folder. Okay, I guess that is not downloaded properly. Download it once again. Okay, now it have it. Let us go to downloads, cut it. Okay, now it have logo. Okay, now you can see logo is coming. Okay, so like this you can put logos in each and every card. Okay, like this. Okay, then you have to make product cards as well. Okay, so the same way you can use to make the card shopping one. Okay, okay, so did you guys get it? Okay, how we can use this approach to create a e-commerce website? Okay, just by seeing the design. Yes, any doubt, guys? Am I audible? Okay, so you can ask your doubts if you have any doubts. Okay, if you didn't get the certificate of the previous lecture, you can post it in the community of our website. Okay, so if you go to our website, there is one community, and in the community chat box, you can post your doubts. Yes, any more doubt, guys? Yes, any more doubts? You can ask your doubts.